Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add member to WhatsApp group. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! People are using WhatsApp these days. It's a great way to stay in touch with friends and family. What if you want to add more people to your group chat? Yeah, it's easy. So first of all, of course, we have to open our group. I mean WhatsApp. Now you can tap on the group that you want to add the member. You have to remember that if you want to add a new group, I mean new member to some group, you have to be an admin for the group. So first, you can just tap on the group info on here. You can scroll down and you'll find there is an option add members. You can just tap on that and choose from your contacts the contacts that you want to add to the group. So it will turn out like this. And you can also invite via link. Maybe you can send these group links to your friends on WhatsApp or maybe other social media platform. So when they tap on the link, they will be directly join the group. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add member to a WhatsApp group. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.